Okay, so now is my second video tutorial on how to embed an external blog. We're going to check on our user page, preferences, and right here where we read blogs, external blog, register an external blog, then we have to copy the RSS feed. See if it's still here. Yes, it is. I don't need to add anything here. I can add my name here. And save changes. And there it is. An external blog added onto Moodle. If we go back to our user profile here and external blogs, we'll see where it is. Well, here it is. We'll go back to the course page, blog entries. I posted on the previous video an entry I typed, or I wrote on the spot, but I could have added a document. Another one that I used I posted a comment within Moodle, and here an external, in the sequence they have the external blog, all in the same heading. Okay, that's it then. Thank you for watching.